Hello guys, with a new video. Welcome to my channel. I'm your cutie, and today we're gonna be animal hospital. This hospital is animal hospital, and yeah, and I did everything for this and this this hospital. So yeah, we have everything. We have the medicine. Yeah, and yeah, we just wait for the customers. Can you leave, please? I don't want nobody here. I want just the customers. So you go, and that's it. Okay. Okay, let me throw this on the trash. What's wrong with you, miss? I am so sick. Let me just give me the PayPal. Okay, let me write to you. Okay, tuk. It's fine. Take a picture. Tuk. Are you an anomaly? No. Perfect. Let me go here. Where is it? Oh my gosh, where is it? Oh, there is it. There. Give you the papers and you're free to go. Thank you. Now we can go here. I'm gonna go here. Okay, I'm coming right now. Guys, this is gonna be a series, so okay, let me see the computer. Tuk, 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 dun. What you need? Oh, okay. Let me put the paper right here to know. You need this one, of course, because you sneeze a lot. Of course, we need to give you this. Perfect. Next customer. Who is the next customer? It's my turn. Yeah, it's my turn. Come. Okay. Okay. Hello, my name is Gnarly. Yeah, my name is Gnarly. Okay, Gnarly. Let me see. Tick, sign in. Computer, tuck, photo, pack, computer, dun. Okay, done. Okay, sir, you're signed in. You can go to the other room, the baby room. I am not a baby first. It's well, you need to listen to me. Seriously. And I'm listening to you, and what? Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see what you need. We're gonna wait. Tuck. Okay, we're gonna go in here and I'm gonna take this. And yeah. Okay, you need this medicine, and yeah. Okay, give him this medicine. Go away. We're gonna need to give you a new band-aid. Gonna give you this, and yeah, and give you the hat one. Okay, bye, sir. Have a nice day. But, I don't. Okay, I make you signed in. Okay. Da da da. Okay, miss, you can enter. Let me check. Okay, you can enter. You're not normally. Let me check the camera if she is normally. Oh, she is now. Okay, let me like see the computer. Da 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 da. Da. Wait. Da da. Do her like that. Take her medicine. She need that. And yeah, eat. And yeah, bye bye. Okay, let me like give you like a little bit. Think your leg is hurt, so I will give you this for your hand. Yeah, hand. Your hand, you cannot move it. Okay, bye, miss. And I hope you enjoyed this like animal hospital video. Make sure to like and subscribe.